Welcome once again. Today, the topic which I have selected to practice English is all about travel. Now, you have to understand one thing, and that is every single day, whenever you have any thought or any idea to discuss a topic, it is important that we add good words, right? Because we need good vocabulary. But when you practice words according to the topics, it becomes easier. And doesn't matter that you have to learn innumerable number of words, like many words. You don't have to learn as well. You can choose 2 to 3 words and can practice according to the topics. And trust me, whenever you have to describe something, whenever you have to say something on that particular topic, you can easily speak and use that word. So today, the topic which I have selected is travel. Now, when it comes to talking about travel, we feel we have innumerable number of words as well, like explore, travel, trip, tour, all these words, right? Excursion. But we have to understand the words as well and add good vocabulary. So today, let's explore. That means find out different words and the meaning, because some of the words which we need to understand that how we should use. Got it? Now I have listed down few words because these words are going to help us. Sometimes we go blank because we have not practiced, and trust me, 5 to 10 words, if you practice and start using 2 words every time, those 10 words related to that topic will be forever yours. We are not practicing according to topics. That is why we forget. Randomly we learn. That's another thing. Sometimes we are able to generate that word. We are able to remember that word. But sometimes what happens, we forget that word. So what we can do is start practicing topic wise. So the first word which I have listed down is itinerary. It's not itinerary. Itinerary. Now what is the meaning? Itinerary means a planned route or journey. Our itinerary includes visit to several historical sites in Rome. Now, itinerary includes many things. How you are going to visit, which are the places you are going to visit. That's a list. That's a plan. How you are going to carry forward that particular visit, that particular tour, right? So, itinerary is very important. Have you planned your itinerary? Or have you listed down what are the things you are going to include in your itinerary for that particular tour? Got it? Yes. Second is excursion. So you might have gone to excursion when you were in class 9, 10, 12, right? Through school, right? From school. So excursion means a short trip or outing. Short trip, maybe one day, okay, just for a day. Or maybe you are visiting some place 3 hours from your place, or outing, excursion. So we took an excursion to a nearly island, right? Nearly island, excursion, a short trip. Now sometimes we don't understand the meaning of trip, tour. Now TOUR, it is not tour. We pronounce this incorrectly, and that is tour, right? It's not tour, right? So a trip, what is the meaning of trip? Trip means a journey or a voyage, a journey. We planned a weekend trip to the mountain. That's a long journey. That means weekend, 2 to 3 days, or maybe more than that. So that's a trip. Tour, it's not tour. Tour means a journey for pleasure, often with a guide. The tour of the old city was fascinating. Sometimes when we visit, we ask or we find out guide just to visit that particular place, or maybe you are staying in one particular place and you want to tour another place, another city out there. So that's a tour, okay? A short trip, that means a short visit just for pleasure. Got it? Accommodation. Now this is also important. You know this, right? Accommodation means a place to stay during travel, like hotel. We booked our accommodation. Okay, we booked our accommodation. We don't say that we booked a hotel. We booked a motel, right? Simply say we book our accommodation. That means the place where we are going to live, the place we are going to not live, we are going to stay during those days. Okay, near the beach. Got it? Next is embark. Now this is one of the most important word in our life. Embark, that means start. How you are going to embark your journey to improve your English fluency. Embark also we can use in this way. Another way is to begin a journey. We are going to embark our journey at this time from that particular place in a train. Okay, got it? Not in a train, on a train. We have to understand between in, on, because on means you can move in that particular. In means you are sitting there like in a car, not in a train, on a train, on an aeroplane, not in an aeroplane. Got it? You have to understand this way. And do you know, when you are practicing English, it's okay, you are practicing, that's well enough. But along with that, sometimes we make mistake. Like I also used to say that I'm in a train. But lately I understood the difference. That the difference is this: as we can walk there, as we are comfortable there. But in a car where you are congested, you are sitting, like you cannot walk. So some of the corrections we can do in our life. So first, work on your English, practice, and then start correcting, because fluency is important, then correcting small errors. So it is okay, it's a language. We are just exaggerating, we are just thinking that no, it's something, if we don't learn or if I'm making mistakes, something big is going to happen. No, we know the importance of learning English, but along with that, we have to understand that I cannot just force myself. I cannot be harsh on me, right? We have to just take proper simple steps to improve this language. Even if I'm making mistake after recording this particular video, I'm going to check where are my mistakes. I'm going to correct then and there. Got it? So these are the words. I hope you really like. So what you have to do is keep practicing in your life. So itinerary, excursion, embark, trip, tour, accommodation. One more word I would like to add, that is jet lag. That means tiredness caused by traveling. She felt jet lagged, because sometimes it happens, right, when you feel tired because of a long journey. So it was jet lag. She felt jet lagged after her long flight. Got it? One more word I would like to add here, that is souvenir. Not sonovir, the spelling is N is there, that will be silent. Souvenir, an item brought to remember a place visited. Sometimes we bring something for someone wherever we visit. It's souvenir. I brought a small statue as a souvenir from my trip to Greece. So now what are you waiting for? Check the description and start using all these words so that you can improve your English fluency. Hope you like this particular video. Do like, share and comment. Till then, this is Veena Roy signing off.